Bright Geezer here. Today we're going to restore some headlights. Now many of you remember my headlight restoration video where I used Sylvania Headlight Restoration. It worked like a champ. Well, that was about 3 years ago. Today I'm going to be using the 3M Headlight Restoration Kit and see how it works. Let's check out my headlights so we have a before picture and an after picture. This video is brought to you by the book Notes in Blue, The Story of a Police Officer by David Allen Duke, available on Amazon. The last time I did a headlight restoration on this old Volvo, they were really cloudy. Well, that was about 3 years ago. Over time, after cleaning them last time, and here you can see a before picture and an after picture. Well, they've gotten cloudy over these past 3 years. We're going to see how the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit works. There's the right headlight, and here's the left headlight. Now these headlights don't look all that bad right now. I'd like them to be just as clear as glass, even though they're plastic. Yeah, they're plastic. No one makes glass headlights unless you're buying a $150,000 car. Well, I'm hoping it works. That's why we're doing this video. Well, if I knew it worked, I'd just tell everybody it worked. I wouldn't need to do a video. I want to do a scientific experiment. Yeah, I believe in science. Let the naysayers say nay. The instructions say to wash the headlights. So that's what we're gonna do. Next, it says to protect the painted surfaces with at least 2 layers of 3M masking tape. And now it says to put one of these gold discs. Looks like crap, doesn't it? Now I'm just showing you the one headlight. I'm gonna go over and do the other headlight right now, but you don't need to see all of it. Now they gave me 3 discs. I've done each headlight now. Gone through 2 discs. I'm gonna take this 3rd disc just to make sure I got a nice uniform coverage. After the gold disc, it says to wipe it off and see what it looks like, basically. I'm not gonna wipe it off, I'm gonna wash it off. It looks horrible. It looks awful, but it feels really smooth.
Yeah, baby!
Now, I'm never one to read directions, but for stuff like this, I read them, and I should have read ahead. The lens should have a white, evenly sanded surface that appears to look frosted. If any portion of the lens looks clear or glossy, continue sanding before moving to the next step. Okay, I went over it again. We'll see what she looks like. Next, we're going to go from the gold disc to the white disc. So we went to the white disc, and it still looks hideous, but we shall see. The nice thing is, if this totally ruins these headlights, I know the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit works, so I got that going for me, which is nice. Yeah, Yeah, the Dalai Lama gave me complete and total consciousness on my deathbed. So I got that going for me. Now for this final stage, they have a final sanding disc. In this case, they want us to keep it moist. How about that? Moist enough. They say spritz it. But anyway, so here we go. So as you do this, they want you to wipe it. And if it's not, doesn't look pretty clear. It looks like crap. Looks very cloudy to me. But there's one more step after this, so there you go. After I've done all the sanding, now it wants me to clean the headlights and take the tape off. Now this should be the end. They've given me 2 bags of these wipes. And first I'm going to coat the headlights with the first bag. And now they're saying let it dry for 5 to 15 minutes. But in the meantime, I'm going to see if I can clean this watch using the same process. I bought this watch 13 years ago for $14. It's been a great little watch. I've changed the band probably 3 times since then. But I can't see it anymore because it's crappy, as you can see. Okay, I got the gold disc, just like I did on the headlights. Now I go to the white disc. And now I'm using the final disc. Let me make sure it's wet. Yeah, it's still a little wet. Well, it already looks better. So I'm going to go to the first cloth. I mean, I was going to throw this watch away because you couldn't read it. It already looks great, so I'm going to wait the 5 to 15 minutes that it calls for. See, I haven't even got to the last step, but that watch, I've saved that watch. It already looks much better. And finally, last but not least, they want us to use the 3M Quick Headlight Clear Coat one more time. So here we go. So voila, we're done. And I will say, 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit appears to have worked. Now these weren't totally screwed up headlights because I had done them with Sylvania earlier. But compared to the Sylvania, I think this is an equal product. I wouldn't rate it higher, but I wouldn't rate it lower. I think it would do a good job even if the headlights were totally screwed up, totally frosted over. But you got to be patient with this. Don't get discouraged. Remember how bad they looked after the gold sandpaper, after the white sandpaper. There you go. You be the judge now. There's my right headlight, and there's my left headlight. Thanks for joining me. The 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. It works. Now this kit cost me $13, $12.95. It was on sale. $12.95 to restore your headlights to this kind of beauty. I don't think you can go wrong for that. Beautiful. Make sure you like, and even better yet, I need subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm up to like 80. I want to say hi to all you guys out there who watch my videos and comment. Please comment. Take care. And as they say in Germany, Tschüss!